Okay, hello guys. As I had promised, today we are going to work on char data type, string data type, and Boolean data type. In the previous video, we talked about integer and float. So in this one, we will talk about char, string, and Boolean data type. First of all, we have to know what is a char data type, what is a string data type, and what is Boolean data type. Char data type is a data type which can store only a single variable, a single character, sorry. And the string data type is a data type which can hold or store a series of characters. And the Boolean data type can store true or false. So it's all clear, you all know. So we will working on char data type, string, and a Boolean. So we are going to open this div C++. Okay, so we are going to start writing code hash include string, right, using namespace is 3D integer main. For example, now we are going to declare a data type char. So for declaring that, what should we need? What should we write? Char. Char. This is the data type, and the name. Name, it can be anything, but you have to remember the rules for giving name of a data type. It cannot start with number. It cannot contain period or a dollar sign. So for example, here I can give for example later, right? Then now it is declared. Now we are going to give, or we are going to assign some value. Now later is equal to, remember, for assigning a value, it can hold or it can store a single character, but in a single quote. So for example, here I can give a. This is the rule. It can store only a single character, and this single character should be inside a single quote. Okay, now you are going to see the output. See out. What is the name of the variable? Later. Return 0. Now we are going to compile and run. Run and compile. Oh, sorry. Include. Sorry. You see the output. The output is a. I'm going to just give a space here. Before this, I am going to write cout /t. /t will be give a tag. File and run. The output is a. As we discussed, if we assign another value, the previous will be replaced with the new one, and the old one cannot be retrieved. For example, if I here give later is equal to, instead of a, I'm going to write, for example, z. Now a cannot be restored. A is replaced by z. Okay. Compile and run. See, the value is z. So it was a char data type. It is stored a single character. Now we are going to, if you are going to store a series of character which are called a string, how we can use it. Okay, for a string data type, we have to include the header files here. Okay, we are going to add the header file here, hash include string, right? Now we can use a string data type. First of all, we are going to, let's remove these all. You have understood the char data type. We are going to now declare string data type. String, for example, name. String is the data type, and name is the name of the variable. Now I can store anything inside a variable. Name is equal to, remember that a string is inside a double quote. We are going to write like this. For example, my name is George. My name is George, right? Cout Now we are going to see the output name. Let's see. Compile and run. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. Here it must be the name of the variable, right? Compile and run. My name is George, right? Again, I want it to be, for example, see out. Again, /t I'm going to add here. Compile and run. Yeah, my name is George. You can write anything here. My name is George. I am from UAE, for example, right? Again, I'm going to compile and run. Yeah, I'm from UAE. Remember the difference between char data type and string data type. Char data type can store only a single character. It is inside a single quote. String data type can store a series of characters, including space and special characters, but it should be inside a double quote, right? And the third one is a Boolean data type. Boolean data type can store 0 or 1, true or false. Okay, for that, let's remove this string data type. You understood this one. For Boolean, we don't need to add any header files. Just write bool. This is the data type, and now you can give name. It can be, for example, A, right? It can be A. Now, A is equal to, either you can give true value, or you can give false value. For example, if it is true, the output will be 1. If it is false, the output will be 0. For example, cout. If I want to see the output, it will be 1. Compile and run. It is 1. Can you see that? Just in the corner. Again, I'm going to give a tab here so that you can see it properly. Compile and run. See, because it's true, I have given true value. It is 1. If I give it false value, it will be 0. It's 0. So in Boolean data type, the bool is a data type. A can be any name. That again, we have to remember the rules for giving name of a variable. Then it can hold a false or true value. For false, it will return 0. For true, it will return 1. Okay, one thing in a variable we must understand is the scope of a variable. Variable can be used in its scope and cannot go further. Variable can be used in its scope, not further than that. For example, if I declare a variable, let's remove all this. I'm going to use char c. Okay, c is equal to, I give a value, it is a, right? Cout a. Now, if I'm going to use cout b, and here I use char b, and b is equal to, for example, y. We cannot use b before we have declared this one. So variable can be used just after the declaration, not before then that. Or if a variable is declared inside any function and cannot be used inside any other function. Just remember this, the scope of the variable. Be sure that you have declared the variable and you can use this one in that scope only. Okay. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment also. If you have any problem in C++, you can comment in this one. I will work on that. Otherwise, I will go series by series. In the next video, I will talk about operator in C++. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get notified when I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching.